Hi there, Tony Teolis here, ToDoListHome.com. Rather than take pictures of the chores that I have to do, thought I'd come in and do a video. Try to keep up on some things here. This video is going to outline the pruning that has to go on sometime between maybe late fall and into February, depending on the plant. We got a number of productive trees down here, productive bushes. And all I want to do is point out that I have to come in and try to thin out the areas where the sun is coming up, facing south this way. North is facing that way. So I want to cut off some of these branches that are blocking out sun from coming into these more back area branches. And the concept goes for all of the trees and bushes that you see here. So productive pear tree, there's an apple tree, another pear tree there, peach tree, very productive. This peach tree was very productive this year. So I want to come in and I want to thin, especially this peach tree here. I want to cut off some of this front area so some of the more back area can come in fuller. And as you can tell, I've been doing that to this older peach tree here, and it's really bushed out very well for a tree. Along here we have elderberry all along this upper ridge here. Right, got a swell going on that, well, not a swell, but a ditch on contour that holds back water, and the concept rolls back all the way to the blackberry there, which we'll have to come in and trim. Very productive year with the blackberry this year. Not big blackberry, but delicious and homegrown. So that's the pruning catch up. Some other stuff would be to get ready to harvest some comfrey. Possibly sell that online. A whole bunch of Japanese mint here is coming, just like a beautiful hedge. This is just coming so neat this year. You know, before this would just be a barren piece of land, but a few random seeds and a little ditch on contour to hold the rain back really makes for a productive site. Butterfly bush here. I don't know how I want to prune this, so I want to film it just to remember what it looks like. So, as you can see, the way this tree's been pruned and faces the sun over the years, even though it's not in a great space, it's been structured to go ahead and capture sunlight just right. And apparently, same goes for the kiwi here. Okay. Coming in, getting ready to harvest the rest of the kiwi. This year is year 7. They've really come in productive. And kiwi all over the place. More kiwi. Kiwi. And these are delicious, eaten whole. The white powder is just a clay that I put on to protect against pests. Completely organic, called Surround WP from ediblelandscaping.com, where I also got the plants that live on this structure, and first year production are producing like crazy. So it's taken 7 years to do this. So the chore is coming in and harvesting these, and little by little building up enough juice and pulp to go ahead and make kiwi jam, and I like eating them straight, like cherries off a tree. They're just not soft enough yet, but if I picked them, they would be soft tomorrow. Nothing unusual here. I'm gonna come in and see if this is ready to pick. Nice squash right there. I don't know. Yeah, feels pretty hard. Could be ready to go. And this is just grown random out of a patch here with blackberry and comfrey in it. Must have come from the compost. So, that's it for chore tracking today.